YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Corey from the South Side. Man, let me tell y'all what happened to me. So, upon the 9th month, the 13th day of 2019 at 12:57 p.m., I got pulled over. And it wasn't because I was doing anything, illegal myself. I wasn't speeding, I wasn't racing. I actually used my blinkers because, BMW. But no, I got pulled over because, let me show y'all this. Because I had all this pertinent information. Because individual was driving with illegal window tint. Man, if that's not the pettiest reason to get pulled over. So, unfortunately, I have to remove my window tint. And today is Fitbits, October 26th. So, what's that? I can't count. 17 days later, I have to take this off. I don't want to do it. But I'm going to show y'all how to take tint off. So let's get to it. So the tools I'm going to use for the mission today is a razor blade, my wife's little steamer thing. Shh, don't tell her. And your hands. And that should be all we need. Let's give it a shot. So if y'all can see this, I kind of already started. I peeled this off like earlier this week. So that's pretty much my commitment. I have to follow through now. And I want y'all to take a look at this. You can't see it. There we go. It's starting to bubble up. So the officer was telling me something, He was telling me, Corey, it's time, bruh. Get rid of that tint. It's starting to look ugly. All right, let's go. That window is clean though. But it sucks. I'm gonna miss this little tent. It kept me cool in these hot Georgia winters on the south side. I'm sorry. It kept me cool on these hot Georgia summers on the south side. It gave a dope dealer look to the car. But I'm okay with that being, removed. All right, let me give y'all a little close up. Ooh. I can see my beautiful face. What's up, y'all? So, all you can see is like straight FCP Euro. This reflection. Let me get y'all a little bit closer. There we go. And this is through the window. It's kind of hard to see because I'm under the carport. But it looks very good. It's very clean. All right. I'm gonna take the rest off and I'll do a full walk around. Give me a sec. This is the driver's side rear, and man, that thing is just ugly. It's time, bro. I ain't even mad at you, cop. I ain't mad. But I have my razor blade here, so I'm gonna show y'all. Just give it, a little cut, and you can kind of peel it off a little bit. Don't worry about scratching the glass. Glass is extremely hard. I mean, don't, gouge it or anything, but this is the way I do it. All right, so now I have a little piece to grab, and then I steam it out. All right, this window's done. And now we have to do this one. I can't roll this down because it's the rear quarter glass part thingy. So I think what I'm gonna do is make a slit and try to get my hand in the slit to pull it up, and then it should just come right off like the other. Ooh, that's a good different shot. Okay, I backed the car out a little bit. It's an overcast day, so it's not really going to be the best representation. It just looks super reflective on the camera. I hope you guys can see that. The back is still tinted, and the passenger side is still tinted. So here's the passenger side. And here's the driver's side. Man, now I gotta keep my interior clean. I can't hide it from anybody anymore. And people are gonna see my ugly face. It's gonna cause a lot of accidents. All right, let's take the back off. All right, now we're inside of the car. I have the typical E46 headliner sag. I'm gonna have to start doing interior videos now. This is the back tint. As you can see, it doesn't look too good. Focus. It doesn't look too good either. There's some peeling. Focus. There's some peeling there starting, especially right here. Does not look good at all. Let's get that thing out. Yeah, I messed that up. Now I have to try to get that small piece out. That's not gonna be fun. Luckily, we have tools. Like I said, tools. All right, I think we're good. I didn't cut these little defroster lines. It's all intact. That was the hard part. The back window is something you don't want to rush. Take your time. I kind of rushed it, but you know, wasn't that bad to get back in the crevice here. I can clean the rest of that up later. She's growing up to be a mature young car. So I got rid of the dope dealer tint, and I like it. I'm not mad. I'm gonna miss the heat rejection properties of the tint because it gets hot in Georgia and humid. My defroster lines still work. I had them on for like 30 seconds. But other than that, she looks great. Not mad. Still got to put some more ceramic tint on there. That will be quite a video. Applying tint. And also, you can see my clear coat starting to peel. So whoever had this car and whatever paint job they got, it was trash. So eventually I'm going to have to repaint it. Money pit. But yeah, if you like that video, smash that like button. If you want to see more content, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell if you want instant notifications of when I upload. I'm gonna try to get to once a week uploads, so you guys have something to look forward to. But it's Corey from the South Side. Holla.